Itec began as a single brand dealer. That was how we started the company several years ago. And very quickly it became apparent that technologies and the market needed more than a single brand supplier. It needed a solution of products to represent the full needs of a customer base. So we amalgamated several brands into one umbrella brand, and that umbrella brand is Itec. Itec North represents one of our premier franchise offices. They do the basics right, and they do it very well. They have a customer-centric focus from the top right down to the bottom, and we're very proud of what they've been able to achieve in a reasonably short space of time.
Itec North are entering our 9th year of consistent revenue growth and should turn an annual turnover of just under 100 million rand.
We work very hard on a winning culture, and we say it quite a lot, but basically if you're not coming first, you're losing.
We are the first document solutions company to take advantage of the convergence of office automation and telecoms.
In any business that's been successful predominantly is based on a relationship. So what we've been able to do is we've been able to take successful OA relationships and filter that into telephony and various other spaces that we're going into. So today we can go into an organisation and we can give them one bill, one invoice, one service controller, and that'll control everything from their switchboard to their consumables to every printed output device. At the end of the day, we're a service-based business. It doesn't matter what product we sell, be that from Ericsson to Konica Minolta, and we've been incredibly successful with that. But those are commodities. It's the service at the end of the day that the client's looking for, and that's what's really been our differentiator.
Itec's national service footprint consists of 35 service dealerships within the borders of South Africa, which mainly we can cover all main centres and outlying areas. We also have 5 service dealerships within the neighbouring states. So basically by having so many service dealers and our footprint, we're able to offer a blanket coverage to each and every customer and generally cover 99% of the regions from a service point of view.
We've embraced a mutual risk SLA. So there's penalties to us for non-delivery. There's penalties for us for non-performance. And it's worked well, and the clients have liked it, and we've been very proactive about it. So it hasn't been a case where we're only doing it in select environments. We're doing it across the board.
My Mobility it's a mobile field service solution. We've enabled our field engineers to move from having paper to having a PDA in the field. All the parts manuals and the spares descriptions are loaded onto the actual PDA. The biggest thing on why we've mobilized is to improve the efficiency and to improve our customer service levels. Because at the end of the day, the customer is king, and we just feel that we need to improve on the satisfaction that's out there already.
For Itec, the partnership with Campo Labantu is broad-based, and it's extremely beneficial for both parties.
The partnership itself is about delivering even better quality of services to the people that we serve. And we hope that from Itec's point of view, they'll be even much more known in those communities where we are serving, so that if there are any growth opportunities business-wise now where Itec could exploit those, they'll already be known as a brand in those communities. They will not be starting from afresh.
When we investigated a potential BE partner, we didn't want to go to a single individual. We didn't see the benefits of that in terms of broad-based empowerment. This transaction represents, in our opinion, the first broad-based empowerment transaction inside the office automation industry, and for that we're very proud.
Being the fastest growing office automation company in the country, our staff have a forward mindset.
People like to be part of something bigger, and it's not always the money, So everybody within this organisation feels part of what we've grown and part of what we're busy growing.
People want to work here. They want to be here.
I'd like to see us have a bit of fun along the way.
And I guess it's pretty rewarding to see the smiling faces and the energy that we get out of Itec North.
Like most industries, our industry is complicated, and you need to get several aspects of it right in order to be successful. In the case of Itec North, they get the basics very right. They get the service right, they get the customer focus right, they get the admin right, the technical expertise right, and their sales right. And all of those things come together in Itec North to make them a very good company, not only to deal with, but also a very good company for us to have inside our national network.